Welcome to do090.com, where you buy airtime and data at a very cheap rate. Now let's get started. Please follow my taps as they are shown on the screen. Welcome to your dashboard. Now click on Get Started to log in or sign up. If you're an existing user, you can log in using your email and password. If you're a new user, click on Sign Up or Forgot Password to register. Now input your email address and click on Proceed. An OTP will be sent to the email address provided. Please check your email inbox or spam folder to get the OTP, and then input the OTP code in the input field provided on this page. Next is to set your account login password. Your password can't be only numbers. Alphanumeric characters are allowed and must be at least 10 characters in length. Now set your transaction PIN. Your PIN must be numbers and 6 digits only. Then click on Proceed. Now to log in, input the email and password you used to sign up, and you will be logged in. Now you're welcome. To fund your account, click on the Fund button. You can fund with the minimum amount as shown on the screen. We support different deposit methods, but as shown on the screen, we recommend Pay with Transfer. As you can see on the screen, there are images of different bank logos. Click on any of the bank logos, and automatically a permanent bank account number will be reserved for you, making deposit easier. Anytime you want to deposit, just transfer any amount of your choice to the permanent reserved bank account you copied, and automatically, it will be credited to your account on our platform. In case any bank is unavailable, please try other banks. You can memorize the account number if you like. After making a successful transfer to the permanent reserved bank account you copied, just come back to this app and reload the page, and your funds will appear on your dashboard. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us on live chat. We are happy to help you out. Please, if you want to deposit via transfer, please use your permanent reserved bank account. Else, if you love other deposit methods, let's begin the next step. Next step is to show you how you can deposit using other deposit methods. Input the amount you want to deposit, then click on Proceed. And make sure you pause and read the instructions on the pop-up dialog, and make sure you take note of the amount you are to pay, as it's highlighted red in color. Do not pay greater or less than the said amount. Then click on OK and Proceed. Now take note of the deposit methods available. You can use any method, but you might be familiar with Pay with Card or Pay with Transfer. If you have a bank ATM credit or debit card, click on Pay with Card, and then fill up the inputs to make payment. Else, you can switch deposit method by clicking on Change Payment Method. Click on Pay with Transfer, which is the next best payment method. Please note that the bank account details generated for you to make transfer to are only temporary for each transaction, meaning that when next you want to deposit, a new temporary account will be generated. Therefore, making transfer of an amount greater or lesser than the said amount, or even sending twice to the temporary bank details generated for you, will lead to loss of funds, and the account is only valid for nothing more than 30 minutes. If you have more questions, contact us on live chat. And after making the payment, please return to this page and click on I have sent the money. Then your account will be automatically funded. To buy airtime or data, click on the Buy button. Select the network provider. Select if you want airtime or data. For airtime, input the amount, while for data, select the data plan. Then input the receiver's phone number. Note, no whitespace or special character is allowed. Then input your transaction PIN, review your inputs, and then proceed to make purchase. You can use the USSD codes below this page to check your airtime or data balance. That's recommended because most times your network provider will fail to notify you that you have been credited. To preview, share, or download your transaction receipt as PDF, click on the transaction and the receipt will load. You can then click on the Share button and copy the receipt link to share or open it in the browser and download the PDF. To contact regarding a transaction, please copy the transaction log and send it to us via live chat or WhatsApp. We are online and available to help you out if you need help or have more questions. And please don't forget to refer and earn 5,000 Naira. Click on the Earn button on your dashboard to copy your refer link or promo code and start sharing. You earn up to 50 Naira each time the person you referred makes a purchase. Welcome! Now you can get started.